to breathe and water to drink. Plants and animals live here. Humans are changing Earth, causing pollution and warming the planet. We need to protect it by being kind to nature and using resources wisely. There's a lot of water on Earth, like ocean. That's the hydrosphere, and all the living things, from tiny bugs to the giant tree, make up the biosphere. Let's protect our barangay from the impact of climate change. We can all make a difference by taking small every action, reducing waste, conserving water, energy, and supporting sustainable practices. Let's work together to build a greener, more resilient future for our community. Join us in making our barangay a climate resilient community.